Hey, today I want to talk to you about pricing. Truth number one, all dealers exist for the same reason. In fact, all businesses exist for the same reason. They want to make a profit, and dealers are no different than anybody else. And what's important to remember though, if you have a big dealership, you also have big expenses. You have a lot of personnel, you have a lot of inventory carry costs, you have a lot of advertising budgets, you usually have a big facility with a lot of utility bills. So if you have a big dealership, they have to sell a lot of cars in order to make a profit because they have to cover a lot of expenses. Truth number two, all dealers pay the same amount of money for the cars. They don't get a discount if they order more in quantity. They don't get a discount if they have a favored relationship with the factory. It's not lawful to do that. All dealerships get the same price whether they order one car or order 100. Truth number three, dealers do get bonuses if they hit sales targets, but if they fall short, they don't. So a dealer can price them really cheap in order to hit the sales targets, but if they fall short, truth one still applies. They still have to make a profit. So they're not going to cut it so much that they're going to lose money. Truth number four, we do have to price to be competitive. We all know that. And so what we do is we look at the other dealers and how they're pricing their cars to make sure that we are in the same ballpark or hopefully a little cheaper. And we look at that all the time because we know that you're going to be shopping online and you're going to be comparing prices, and we want to have you look at our store just like every other dealer wants you to look at their store. Hopefully we keep ours a little bit less so we can attract you to come in. Truth number five, if you see a lot lower price at one particular dealer than all the rest of them, a lot of red flags should be going up because there's going to be some surprises, I guarantee it. We're all about experience. We want to be price competitive. We want to get you in the showroom. We want to show you what vehicles we have and honestly present the price to you in a transparent way. We want to do that fast, so hopefully we can get you out of here. Once you've said go, we can get you out of here in about an hour and a half, maybe a little less. And we don't want you doing what my daughter would do if she walked into one of those other dealers. And that is, she would stand up and say, a popular phrase today, yeah, no. All right. Hope you have a great day and would love to see you in our showroom.